Hello class. Today we are going to learn about memory retention. Our story today is about Tina. Tina is a jury member in a very popular case known all around the nation. The person on trial is accused of murder, and many citizens who know the case are divided on the innocence of the accused. For the sake of this assignment, let's call the accused John Doe. There is little evidence in this case that is concrete or solid, except a witness who is testifying for the prosecution. The witness who is testifying against John Doe is asked to recall events that took place on the night of the murder almost 3 years ago. The defense lawyer for John Doe brings up the possibility of memory being an issue, in this case, memory retention. Memory is the mental faculty of retaining and recalling past experience. Mr. Doe's lawyer describes proactive interference, which occurs when you cannot learn a new task because of an old task that has been learned, or when what we already know interferes with what we are currently learning, old memories disrupting new ones. Notice the use of pro and proactive, which sounds a lot like progress, the progress of learning a new memory. Mr. Doe's lawyer also mentions retroactive interference, which occurs when you forget a previously learned task due to the learning of a new task. In other words, later learning interferes with earlier learning, where new memories disrupt old ones. Notice the use of retro in the word retroactive, which means opposite, meaning it is the opposite of proactive interference. The purpose of Mr. Doe's lawyer mentioning these types of theory is the possibility of the one and only witness's potential fragmentation or breaking apart of events. As a jury member, Tina has to be objective and determine if John Doe is guilty based on the testimony of the witness. Today, we will be serving as the jury with Tina by working in pairs and dissect the evidence, our chapter, to determine if we find the testimony of the witness valid or not. Use your How Well Do I Know chart with your partners to help distinguish between words and concepts you already know with new concepts and vocabulary. Remember, it is important to back your claims with evidence found in the book, and good luck.